Hey guys, Karen Wolfe here in the art studio. I am an artist and I teach you how to paint and become a better painter. How to get from point A to point B, or maybe Z. Anyhow, I'm in the studio today. I'm just recording and thought I'd jump on here and just say hey and show you what I'm doing. So I've got, hey Dee. Oh no, that's not Dee, that's Deb. I can't see. Oh, that's crazy. I looked at that and it looked like it said Dee. Hey Deb, how are you? Welcome. I am in the studio today recording for the virtual online classes. What I have is every month I come into the studio and I record. I'm recording the gnome. I've already recorded the gnome. I record for the all access membership and for my monthly Pick Your Painting Club. I have a virtual painting classes library that is out on my website, artbykarenwolfe.com, and I sell the virtual online painting tutorials there. You go to artbykarenwolfe.com, click on virtual classes, and there's like a whole slew of video tutorials on there that you can purchase. And you purchase them. I'm just looking here to make sure I can't see folks that are coming on my oh gosh, I definitely don't want to see that. I can't see folks that are coming on my phone, so I have to look at it on my iPad. I apologize for that distraction. Yeah, there we are. So I can hopefully see if there's any comments down here. It looks like I can't see them there either. I'm not exactly sure what the deal is on Facebook, but it's like ultimately driving a person insane these days. But anyways, back on track. I have virtual painting classes that I record every month. I record 3 more for my all access group, and sometimes I record more than that. But I'm trying to record everything that I offer in the art studio for you guys to come in here and paint with me here in the studio, which I'd love to have you. So if you're interested in coming in and painting, I have lots of paintings on the schedule for June. Hey Heather, welcome. Hi. But I have lots of paintings that we're doing in the art studio, and then I'll also be going, having those available for you guys online. And I've had a couple people asking, and I guess I don't talk about it enough, but I have, of course, I've talked about the all access membership that I have, but I also have a Pick Your Painting Club. And it's a monthly club where you can, you will receive, once you're in that club, you will receive access to one painting tutorial each month that, you can watch it whenever you want. You log into my website and you watch it whenever you want, and you have access to it forevermore. And the cost to be in that club is $17 a month. And the video tutorials to purchase are $27 a piece. So it's a $10 savings on each one of those tutorials that you purchase. You get them at that price just for being in the club. So I wanted to just throw that out there. And a lot of people don't know about it. I shared that post on my Facebook post page today, and I had a couple people ask me about it, and just wanted to make sure that you guys know that. But I've got right now, this one will be added for June. I just recorded it. It will be added for June. Actually, I have another one over here that was added for last month. This was last month's, so it's out there on the tutorials to choose from. That's a fun one to paint. And I'm getting ready to record this one. So there's a lot of videos out there to choose from. There's some for adults, some for kids. So if you're in the in this painting club, pick your painting club, it's not only something that you could do, paint, you know, if it's something you're interested in doing, the kids can do it too. So it's fun. Get the kids involved in painting. They'll love it. You'll love it. It's fun. It's you know, builds their creativity, your creativity, imagination. Gets them away from the electronics for a while. It's just great. Building memories, and you get a keepsake. I mean, you get something to keep that they've painted. So that's fun too. But the videos, like I said, I'm in the art studio here today, this weekend. I'll be recording for the 3 that I'm adding for June to my All Access membership, which is a great club to be in too. It's a membership. It's not a club, but it's a great membership to be in too. That one is closed right now, but you can get on the waiting list if you go to my website and click on memberships. You can choose All Access and get on the wait list for that. So that's a good one. And it'll open back up in the fall. And that one you have access to the whole library. So, but the Pick Your Painting Club is not something that I talk about a lot. I should talk about it more. I should get on here and do a whole spiel about it to get everybody to where they know where to find it. It's on my website, Art by Karen Wolfe, in the online painting, on the online tutorial classes, and or not online tutorial classes. That's where all the videos are that you will have access to choose from. But if you want to join the club, I'm just frazzled today for some reason. I don't know. Who knows? But if you want to join the Pick Your Painting Club, you go to my website, artbykarenwolfe.com. You go to memberships. You click on Pick Your Painting Club and follow the prompts, and then you're in. It's $17 a month, and you will receive a coupon code to purchase from the online tutorial classes library. You can pick whichever one of those tutorials that you want, one each month, and that's for $17 being in the club, and it's a regular $27 video. So for as long as you're in the club, that's what you get them for. So it's a really good deal. It's really good for you. It's really good for your kids. It's fun. Painting's fun, you guys, and it's therapy. And you can do it. It's not, there's no experience required for these. I mean, there are some that are more detailed and more time consuming than others, but you don't have to have experience to do them. I walk you through it step by step. All of the paintings are step by step. I show you every brush to use, every color to use. So I give you supplies lists and templates and reference photo, so that you can follow along with me. If you've ever watched me on Facebook, a lot of times I'll do free tutorials on here. I did one last, was that last night? I did one last night of those roses, or not roses, gosh. Those flowers, these little guys, they're really cute. And I painted it and it stuck to this paper towel. I painted these last night on Facebook. So there, isn't that pretty? I did that last night on Facebook. So those are pretty. But I have lots and lots of stuff, guys. I know there's things on there you probably look at and you think, oh, I would never want to paint that. But there's things on there that you probably do. And I add new, or I'm sure that you do. And I add new ones all the time. And like I said, you think, oh, I can't do that. Oh, I can't even draw a stick figure. Well, I can't draw a stick figure very well either. Everybody always says that. And you should see my stick figures. They're ugly. I'll never forget this lady one time. She had a card. It was when I worked at one of the law firms. I know. And she was going to give it to someone for a birthday. Oh, yeah, it was Shauna, I think. Somebody was going to give it to somebody for a birthday, one of the attorneys, I think. And they brought a card to me, and they said, can you draw like a stick person on here doing this, such and such? I can't remember what they wanted them to be doing, skiing or whatever, something, on a card that they bought. And I didn't want to mess up the card. But everybody always says, I can't even draw a stick figure. Well, I can't draw a stick figure either, because she had me to draw that, and it was like the ugliest thing, I thought. Oh, you did a good job, she said. But I was like, no, I didn't. I just ruined your daggone card. But it's so funny because, hey, Kathy, how are you doing, girl? Because it's the first thing that everybody always says is, I can't draw a stick figure. Well, you don't have to be able to draw a stick figure to be able to paint, obviously, because I can't. But you just take it step by step. You start with the basic. You get, the template. You draw it on there. You follow along with the steps that I give you. I tell you the paint colors to use, the brushes to use, and in the end, you can do it. I mean, just ask Kathy. She's on here. Hey, Tammy. I have so many success stories where I've had so many people to come to me and never have painted before, and now they're painting beautiful paintings. But you have to take that first step. You have to take the step. If you do not get past that fear and just try it, then you're going to miss out on a lot, because it is a lot of fun. It's therapy. I know I say that all the time, and everybody probably thinks I'm crazy, but it is. But you can do it. It's something that, I think everyone can learn to paint. Some people are born with it. Some people are born with a natural talent. Some people are born with different, other natural talents to do things, and it's a gift. You're gifted. I was very lucky that I do have a gift, and I'm very thankful for that. I don't have a college degree in art. I didn't go to school and learn how to do this. I learned because I had it, for one. I definitely feel that I have a gift. But I learned because I wanted to. It's here. And I just kept watching videos and reading and learning. Didn't go to school for it because that just wasn't in the cards. Do I wish that I would have? Yeah, probably. Who wouldn't want to do that? But I've always had an interest in art. I've always done crafts. And one day I just decided I had wanted to do something for long enough, and I'd been too afraid to do it, and finally decided to do it, and I did, and found out that I could. So, there you go. Then you need to do it too. Because if I can do it, you can do it. Can I draw a stick figure? No. Can I paint? Yes. Did I paint really, really well in the beginning? No. Looking back, I definitely have improved over the years. Could I do it? Yes. But to improve, you just have to keep doing it. You just get better and better and better. So there you go. But the online painting tutorials are there. I hope that you will check them out. If you have any questions, feel free just to let me know. Just post your questions in the comments, and I'll answer your questions. If along the way folks get, are painting along and they'll, bump into a question or whatever with the tutorial that they're doing, still you can ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm to help you to get from a blank canvas to this, and I can get you there. I promise. So thank you all so much. Thanks for putting up with me and listening to me today. I just love you guys. I love my painters. You guys are great. I appreciate you. You have no idea. God bless you. Take care. Enjoy your day. And I'm going to get back to painting. So I'm going to paint this little firefly guy. So, too cute. Thank you all. Bye-bye.